my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you a long and interesting story about the United States of America, which people also call the USA. And in this story, I will share many different facts about the country, its people, its culture, its food, its places, and many more things, so that you can learn and understand how life is in the USA. The USA is a very big country. And it is located in North America. And it is made up of 50 different states, and each state is unique and has something special about it. The flag of the USA is beautiful and colorful, and it has both stars and stripes. There are 50 white stars on a blue background, and each star represents one state. And there are also 13 stripes in red and white, which stand for the first 13 states that became part of the country. The capital city of the USA is called Washington, D.C. And in this city, there are many important buildings. And one of the most important ones is the White House, which is the place where the president of the country lives and works. New York City is one of the biggest and most famous cities in the USA, and millions of people live there. This city is home to the famous Statue of Liberty, which is one of the most well-known landmarks in the world. Another very big city is Los Angeles, which is famous for its movie industry. And Chicago is another city that is well known for its amazing and tall buildings with beautiful architecture. The USA has many other large cities, such as Houston and San Francisco. And each city has its own style and attractions. The people of the USA enjoy eating many different types of food. And some very popular foods are hamburgers, hot dogs, pizza, and ice cream. In the USA, there are also many restaurants that serve food from all over the world. So you can try Chinese food, Mexican food, Italian food, and many other delicious dishes. People in the USA usually eat 3 main meals every day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening. Many people also enjoy snacks between meals. The USA is a country with 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In spring, flowers bloom and trees grow new leaves. In summer, the weather becomes hot and sunny. In fall, the leaves on the trees change color and fall down. And in winter, many places get snow and it becomes cold. The weather is different. In each state, some states are hot, some are cold, some get a lot of rain, and some have a lot of snow. People in the USA love sports. And some of the most popular ones are football, basketball, and baseball. Many people like to watch sports on television, while others enjoy playing sports with their friends. There are also many famous places to visit in the USA, such as the Grand Canyon, which is a huge and beautiful natural wonder, and Disneyland, which is a very fun theme park that many children and adults enjoy. Children in the USA go to school for many years. And they start with kindergarten, then go to elementary school, then middle school, and then high school. At school, they learn many different subjects such as math, science, and English, and they also spend time playing with their friends. Education is very important in the USA and after high school. Many people choose to go to college or university so that they can learn more and get good jobs in the future. People in the USA celebrate many holidays and special days. For example, on Thanksgiving Day, families and friends come together to share a big meal, and turkey is often the main dish. On the 4th of July, which is Independence Day, people celebrate with fireworks, parades, and parties. Other popular holidays include Christmas, New Year's Day, Memorial Day, and Labor Day. And each holiday has its own traditions. People also celebrate personal events such as birthdays, weddings, and graduations, and these celebrations are full of joy, food, games, and sometimes gifts. The USA has many animals and beautiful places in nature. In different parts of the country, you can find bears, eagles, deer, and many kinds of fish in the rivers and lakes. There are mountains, forests, and rivers, and people enjoy spending time outdoors, hiking, camping, and exploring. The USA has many national parks, which are protected areas that keep the environment safe for animals, plants, and people to enjoy. Music is a big part of life in the USA, and people listen to many different styles, such as pop, rock, and country music. Many famous singers and musicians are from the USA. The country is also famous for making movies, and Hollywood is the center of the American movie industry. People in the USA like many types of movies. Some are funny, some are exciting, and some are scary. Technology is important in the USA, and people use computers, smartphones, and the internet every day for work, school, and talking to friends. Many famous inventions came from the USA, such as the light bulb, the telephone, and the airplane. People are proud of these achievements. The country is also known for its economy, which is very big and has many different businesses and industries. People work in many kinds of jobs, and they work hard to take care of their families. In the USA, people care about the environment, and they try to recycle, save energy, and protect animals and plants. Many people also like to help others by volunteering in schools, hospitals, and communities. Volunteering is an important way for people to give their time to help those in need. Fashion in the USA is very diverse, and people wear many different styles of clothing. Some people like casual clothes such as jeans and t-shirts, while others prefer formal clothes such as suits and dresses. People often dress according to the weather, and comfort is important for many. People also enjoy art, music, dance, and theater. And they visit museums and galleries to see paintings, sculptures, and other creative works. Safety is important in the USA, and people follow rules to protect themselves and others.
I wear
Seatbelts when riding in cars, and they look both ways before crossing the street. Communication is also important, and people use phones, email, and social media to stay connected with family and friends. People in the USA live in different types of homes. Some live in apartments in tall buildings, while others live in houses with gardens. Some people live in big cities with many people and busy streets, while others live in small towns that are quiet and peaceful. Many people have pets, and dogs and cats are the most common. People love their pets and take care of them with food, water, and love. In their free time. People in the USA enjoy many recreational activities such as swimming, hiking, playing sports, watching movies, and reading books. Entertainment is a big part of life, and people also enjoy playing video games, going to concerts, or attending festivals. There are many festivals and fairs across the country, and some are about history, while others are about culture, food, or music. The USA is a very diverse country, meaning that people come from many different backgrounds and speak many different languages, such as Spanish, Chinese, and many others, although English is the main language. This diversity makes the culture rich and full of different traditions, foods, and customs. Many people in the USA believe in the American dream, which is the idea that anyone can be successful if they work hard. People value freedom and opportunity, and they try to make a better life for themselves and their families. The daily life of people in the USA can be different. Some go to work. Some go to school. Some spend time with family, and others enjoy hobbies or activities. The USA is full of famous landmarks that people from all over the world come to see. Rushmore in South Dakota has the faces of 4 presidents carved into the rock. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is a beautiful and famous bridge, and the Alamo in Texas is an important historical site. Life in the USA is a mix of work, school, family, friends, fun, and traditions. People balance their time between responsibilities and enjoying life. Whether they are in a big city or a small town, Americans value spending time with loved ones, helping their communities, and enjoying the many opportunities their country offers. Thank you for listening to this long and detailed story about the USA. I hope you enjoyed learning about its people, places, traditions, and culture. If you liked this story, please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video.